This tiny gadget claims to transform your mobile setup into a desktop powerhouse, all while keeping your precious data secure and accessible. But can it really deliver on such a bold promise? What we're looking at today is the GXMRHWI 8-in-1 magnetic docking station for M.2 NVMe SSD, and it's certainly an interesting piece of tech. The first thing that truly stands out is its magnetic suction design. Imagine attaching your docking station directly to your laptop or even your phone, preventing those annoying disconnections when you shift your device. It's a clever, practical solution that many will appreciate, especially those constantly on the move. Despite its compact 2.76-inch square footprint, this little hub packs a serious punch. It's not just a docking station, it's also an M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure, specifically for the 2230 size. This means one can slot in their own high-speed SSD, turning it into a blazing fast external drive that's always connected. The aluminum alloy shell isn't just for looks. It's crucial for heat dissipation, ensuring the SSD performs optimally without throttling, extending its lifespan. That solid build also contributes to its substantial feel, giving users confidence in its durability. Performance-wise, it's impressive. We're talking USB 3.2 Gen 2 with 10 Gbps data transfer rates, which means moving large files is incredibly quick. For video, it offers 4K at 60 Hz via HDMI, perfect for extending a display or connecting to a monitor for a more immersive experience. Power delivery is robust too, with 100 WPD charging, so a laptop or phone stays juiced up even while using all the other ports. Users also get a Type-C 3.2 port, an additional USB 3.2 port, SD and TF3 card slots for photographers or anyone needing quick media access, and even a 3.5 AUX jack. That's a comprehensive set of connections in such a small package. The plug-and-play compatibility across Windows, macOS, and Linux is a huge plus, making it incredibly versatile for different users and environments. No drivers needed, just connect and go. This makes it an ideal companion for anyone who travels frequently or needs to quickly swap data between various devices. It truly embodies the spirit of mobile office, offering a stylish and highly functional solution. Overall, the GXMRHWI 8-in-1 magnetic docking station is a remarkably well-thought-out product. It combines essential connectivity with high-speed storage and a genuinely innovative magnetic design, making it a powerful and convenient tool for modern mobile computing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.